Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Hey, what my people? I'm there again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Alright, my people. So, first up, I am going to present to you pieces of videos that have been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, these pieces of videos shows some things that happened when a female confronted a male who was inside of a motor vehicle. I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation between the male and the female. But the confrontation escalated to a point where the male hit the female more than one time. There was somewhat of a struggle between the male and the female viewing subscribers. And there was at least one person who intervened. And at some point, police arrived at the location and police placed handcuffs on the male. In one of the pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you, you can hear persons talking loud. One of these pieces of videos shows a bad situation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present a piece of that video to you, and then I'm going to present the other video to you that shows some things that happened because of the situation during subscribers. But I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Here is the first piece of video to you, my viewers subscribers. This piece of the video shows some things that happen when police arrive at the location. Observe. You can see where the person was being forcefully held down to the ground, my people, see? I got unconfirmed information as to why the person had been held by police, viewers and subscribers. As I say about those information are unconfirmed to my knowledge. However, I want to point out that I don't support violence. Yeah, you know, violence don't solve anything. And one thing we know is some people I will talk about is the fact that a man hit a woman when it comes down to the situation. And that is really and truly another bad thing again. You can also leave a comment or comments and let me know what you think. Check the comment section with people. And sometimes I might leave a comment that can give a better understanding about the situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now here I'm going to present an interesting video to you, my viewers and subscribers. The next video I'm going to present to you have been recorded in Jamaica. And this video is being talked about on social media. So based on some words that have been said in the next video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding from the video that the video shows some things that happened when soldiers who was traveling in a motor vehicle had been stopped by police within the country of Jamaica. You can hear when a question had been asked in the video more than one time. So I'm going to look at the video and get an understanding about it, my people. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Listen now, look. Here. Listen.
Or a gun find thing that was quite I mean, I'm in farm, I have find one out of the light.
Yeah, here?
Did the officer stop you on the road?
You hear that question?
Yeah. Okay. Did the officer stop you on the road? No, you have to take if you can't take it away. No, you have to just come take my phone out of my hand. I said, did the officer stop you on the road? Eh? Did the officer stop you on the road? Eh? Did the officer stop you on the road?
One time of people.
Eh? Eh?
Listen.
And that's if you answer me. Eh? Since you want to be treated like criminals, eh? We don't have no uniform. Police step out in the road and stop you. I want to drive left them. And then the next set of police stop and you drive left them. Eh? 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 You should be ashamed by yourself. Eh? And the government uniform. Eh? In a government uniform, police stop you. Eh? What you say? Talk now, what you say? I'm going to get you up on the camera. Talk what you say now. What you say? What you say?
Well, my people, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And in my point of view, I think that there are some people on social media who find that video to be interesting, or the situation interesting. So I say, well, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here's a video that's going to show some things that happened when a person went inside of a police station and a person said some words in the video that I'm about to present to you that gave me the understanding that the person basically complained about police treatment or how the person was being treated by police. My people, let's look and listen to this video and try and get an understanding about the situation. Viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me, people.
To the right station, may go back. Police officer over them, I remember one name. Every time I go to make me report, the man they lock me out of the station. They tell me so I can't come and make me report on there sitting there. I don't know no station I set up so. And my report me come for make and my things me come about.
Listen.
No, I went to the court office four times now. A lady around here, a sergeant lady told me to come back. And as soon as I see the man, I must come to the station and he must get adjusted by the police. I should me out of the station first and a couple times. Well, I may make sure some video and you ain't turn up in my face around so I have a personal issue with me. And I never disrespect you yet, officer. I was drunk the night and you arrest me and you overdo whatever you got to do. And the little officer will shove me out of the station too. You may make sure so me glad so me catch your face. Because I must everybody have a little money, you know. You disrespect me. You disrespect me. Everything good. And me come to make me report and I know you can say, alright, dispatch to somebody go to Duppy. Alright, something fake.
Sir, you handed
it's a joke thing, you don't take people thing for. No, but when people no problem now, you know, can lock them up. Yeah, and see you next officer. Everything good, man. Yeah, I'm a free will.
Go to the court's office.
No, I went to the court's office 3 times now.
And I'm sending you back.
And no, you didn't want to deal with my issue because I have a personal vendetta with me. The officer lady said, anytime I see this man, the sergeant, say I must come to the station, and when I come to the station, every time that I come across you, you put me in the same position that I'm in right now. and continue cheating me away because you have a personal victor with me. You stand up in my face already because I was drunk and intoxicated. But it's all good.
Hold on, so,
Like,
my people, I think me here intoxicated in the video. And stand up and face and me here report in the video. Me only go by word to me hear the person saying the video, my people. That sound away. You know the situation is sound away. You know what I mean? It really and truly sound away. You know, right now me I wonder how everything turned out overall though. You know what I mean? Cause based on what me hear the person saying in the video, me I wonder certain things. You know, I wonder how everything turned out overall. But well my people, you know what? What do you think about a situation? Oh, well, and what do you think about the words that you hear a person say in the video with people? Because, you know, I go by what me hear the person saying in the video. You know, you can hear some words that I be saying. It's set away. It really and truly sounds away. Alright, so what do you think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video, viewers and subscribers? Because I think here's where I'm going to leave it. And also, big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!